think the greatest thing about working with Kornit is there really is 24/7 accessibility to the Kornit team.
Aside from just buying the piece of equipment, we actually bought into the Kornit ecosystem. And equally, Kornit bought into the partnership as well. So after we purchased our Kornit, we were contacted by our relationship manager from Kornit, and they set a schedule for us. And within the schedule included onboarding training, it included setup, install, it included absolutely everything that would make us feel comfortable from the second that they dropped off the machine till the time our training was finished, that we would be ready to go.
In our industry, downtime is the death of businesses. We cannot be late on orders, we cannot miss orders. Kornit knows that, and they put high urgency when you make a call and you need to escalate an issue. They have response teams out here immediately. They have people on the phone immediately. In terms of service and support, they're great.
If we have questions with color management, or if we have questions with sourcing, or if we have any questions with how the machine works, they're going to get those answers for us. There's not just communication when there's a problem. There's communication when things are going well. There's communication when there's new opportunities that are arising, and there's communication when there's collaborative projects or initiatives that we can work on together.
Kornit really fosters a community, and they want to help you grow. They want to make their product better, and they want you to have your product be better. They're really invested in growing as a unit, not only as themselves.
One of the things that we really like about Kornit, and in particular the Presto, is the fact that it's very modular. And we believe that Kornit did this because there's always going to be new advancements in technology, and they're leaving their machine open to be updated.